Hey guys, so it's been a week since I purchased my headphones and I just wanted to share a couple of thoughts from the future while I edit. So one being that I got the headphones specifically for that, for editing. I wanted to be able to catch any of the background noise while I'm editing, and I just needed a good solid pair of headphones. Two being that in-ear headphones can actually be pretty detrimental to your overall hearing, so I wanted to switch back and get something a lot easier to use, something that was a lot safer as well, and that I don't have to turn the volume all the way up just to hear some of my favorite songs. So far, it's been super easy using these. I wear them every single day, and I absolutely love them, specifically for listening to music and getting my tasks done a lot faster because it's just way easier. So yeah, all in all, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Hey guys, so I'm currently getting some work done and I'm getting ready to edit for the day, but all in all I wanted to share my thoughts real quick while I'm in the middle of editing. And it's been about, when you guys see this video go live, it's Monday. It's currently Sunday. You guys are going to be seeing this video tomorrow, Monday, but just some final thoughts on what I think about my new headphones. So one, the bass and the quality is really amazing. I absolutely love it because I don't have to bump my volume all the way up, which is the issue that I was running to in my previous headphones. They're also extremely comfortable. As you guys see, I'm currently wearing my glasses and it's not even directly on top of my glasses, which is really good so that I don't have that uncomfortable feeling of my glasses kind of pressing along the temples of my head. And plus they're adjustable as well, so that helps a lot with comfort and just the overall like flexibility and manageability of the headphones is a really great plus. As far as aesthetics go, it has the Marshall's logo on the side, and then I love that the dial on the back is gold. It adds a really simple touch and it gives you a really classic and vintage feel. I personally think so. And then last but not least, I love the functionality of it, just how easily it connects to all of my devices. So I've used this already on my phone, my laptop, as well as my iPad. A personal favorite of mine is listening to my music on the daily, but when it comes to editing, it really just makes editing so much easier because I can hear all the little nuances that I wasn't able to quite catch when I'm editing just off of the speakers through my laptop or if I connect my external speaker. So yeah, if you guys are looking for really bomb budget-friendly headphones that are quality, I would definitely recommend these. I picked these up on sale, like I mentioned before, through Amazon. You can also pick these up at Best Buy. They originally retail for $150. So yeah, if you don't want to spend more than $200, I highly recommend these. I was really gearing towards picking up the Sony, but something told me to just go ahead and get these, and I'm really glad that I did. Not only that, but I picked them up on sale. So yeah, highly recommend. I'll leave everything linked down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this of unboxings or just like my little reviews on any of my new gadgets that I pick up, because there's more coming. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.